guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the controller on a scooter board. So the first step in changing the controller is removing these 6 hex screws seen here on the bottom of the deck. After you got all the screws out, remove the battery and the connectors holding it in place. So we're just going to pull out like this, kind of bend this cover back, and there's 3 connectors connecting the battery to the scooter board. You're going to want to undo them all. Once you've disconnected the battery, you're going to want to disconnect the remaining connectors. So we're just going to gently bend back this metal cover and unplug all the other connectors. Once you've disconnected all the connectors, you're going to want to peel back the grip tape on the top. Gently so you don't tear anything. Slowly undoing the adhesive. So to finish removing the controller, you need to remove these 4 screws, and the controller should just slide out from the bottom. Once you got all the screws out, the controller should just slide right out. So to put it back in, you're just going to want to reverse the steps with your new controller. Hope you guys found this helpful.